I know guys. Many of you are disappointed with the video quality, and I've been seeing your comments everywhere about it. But stop worrying now, because I've finally found a powerful app that can turn your low-quality videos or footage into stunning 4K quality with just one click. And it's not only about enhancing quality. With this tool, you can also use AI color enhancement, remove watermarks, remove backgrounds, and do many more advanced edits easily. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the point. Today, I'm talking about HitPaw VicP, an amazing AI video enhancer. And a big thanks to HitPaw for collaborating with me on this video. The best part is, you can use HitPaw VicP on Windows, MacBook, iOS, and Android, so it works on almost any device you have. So, without any further delay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So guys, I have opened HitPaw VicP on my computer. You can open it on any device that you have. After opening it, you will see an interface like this. Now, simply click on Video Enhance and then import your clip. You can just drag and drop your video here. Alright, my clip has been successfully imported. On the right side, you will see many different options. First, we will set the resolution to 4K quality. Then I will select the professional model and also choose the sharpen model. There are many other options available here, and all of them are useful, but for now, I'm not going to use them. Now we simply click on Preview. After waiting for a few seconds, the result will appear. As you can see, guys, the difference between the original clip and the upscaled clip is clearly visible. The sharpness, clarity, and overall quality look much better and more professional. If you want to export it, just click on Export, and your enhanced video will be saved very easily. Alright, now let me show you another amazing feature, which is the Portrait Model Enhance, which works really great. Again, click on Video Enhance and import your clip. Then select the Portrait Generation model and change the option from Soften to Sharpen. After that, scroll down and set the resolution to 4K, then click on Preview. After a few moments, you will see the result. And honestly, guys, it looks awesome. The details, sharpness, and smoothness are all improved. Just look at the difference. The hair, the eyes, the skin, the lips, everything looks much clearer and more detailed. And again, if you want to save it, simply click on Export. Now, let me show you another powerful feature, which is actually my personal favorite, AI color enhancement. Go to this section and import your clip. For this example, I am using a black and white or colorless video. Here, you will see a few options. Select the Colorize model, then set the resolution to 4K, and click on Preview. After a short wait, you will see the result. Just look at the difference, guys. It's amazing. This tool automatically adds realistic colors to the black and white footage. Honestly, this tool is awesome because you can do many different types of enhancements depending on what you need. So, without wasting any more time, go ahead and download HitPaw VicP right now. You will find the download link in the description or the pinned comment. So, that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye.